Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious chocolate muffin. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to sieve my flour. All ingredients will be written in the description box. You can as well check it out, okay? So after I'm done sieving the flour, I'm going to add in some cocoa powder. Then I'm going to sieve it as well. So once I'm done sieving the flour, I'm just going to mix everything together. Then I will go in with some sugar. Then after adding the sugar, I'm going to add in some baking powder, a pinch of salt. Then I will mix everything together. So next I'm going to add in some milk. I'm using 1 cup of milk, but I first of all added half cup of milk. Then I went in with some melted butter, vanilla extract. Then I'm going to mix. So I'm going to add in the remaining half cup of milk because I didn't want the batter to be too watery. So I added the half, then I went in with the other half. Then I'm going to mix together just the way you are seeing in this video. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to add in 1 egg. Then mix everything until everything is nicely combined. So at this point my batter is ready. Okay, so guys, if you are new here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon, and also like this video. And to my return subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. So guys, so at this point my batter is ready. I'm just going to use my spatula to scrape at the edge. Then I'm going to set this aside. So next, I brought out my muffin tray, then add in the muffin liner just the way you are seeing in this video. So once I'm done with the liners, I'm just going to start filling the muffin cups just the way you are seeing in this video, okay? And at this point my oven is already preheated. So once I'm done, I'm just going to transfer the cake into the oven, okay? So at this point I'm done filling the muffin cups, so I'm going to bake for 25 minutes. And guys, our muffin chocolate cake is ready. Serve and enjoy. So if you are watched to this extent, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.